Here's how to play Shape of You on the keyboards. I'm on 440, and I'm just going to start with the right hand part to start off with. So I start with my thumb on the A. I've got to do a little bit of stretching here, so got my third finger on the D, and then my little finger is going to stretch even further up to the F. Okay, so the first bit goes like this. Then you repeat it, but your thumb moves up to the B flat. Repeat the same thing again. And a big change here, the thumb goes down to the G, and then your fingers are going to be playing the E, D, and C in succession. So, to put that pattern together, we've got move up, stay there, move down, repeat, move up, stay there, move down. So, while the right hand's doing that, the left hand is playing the same rhythm at the same time, but you're playing a D, a G, a B flat, and a C at the same time. So it sounds like this. Repeat.